In today's video, I'm gonna show you a amazing AI website that's enough for you to make 1000 rupees per day. It needs less than 1 hour of work and it doesn't need skill. This side hustle is about making AI UGC ads. If you don't know about UGC, let me tell you that it can make you ads of any products using an AI avatars. So it doesn't require any model, any influencer or any human. It is a effective method for even a business owner. For example, if you are a business owner, you have to create ads for your products to sell or even to reach your products to people. So to create ads, you need so many things like camera, model or influencer, and also you need a production company to create a video for that. As a business owner, you need to pay thousands and thousands for one ad. But if you use this AI, you can easily select an AI avatar background and able to quickly make bulk ads. So this video helps even for business owners. But if you are not a business owner, then you can also able to make money from this by working for other business owner. At first, I will show how to make UGC ads and then I will show how to approach business owners and make money from it. The AI website that we are going to use is humba.com. The link of this website is also in the description, so check it out. It needs an sign up to use. I was already signed up. After you came into the website, at first I am going to show the pricing of this website. For free plan, you will be able to make only 3 minutes video monthly. Choose the video that you like. You can also apply filters such as topic, gender and age. You can also change the accept ratio like this. You can also create your own avatar by uploading a photo or a audio. For this video, I am going to select the aspect ratio of portrait and select studio topic. You can also see various scenes about the same AI actor. You can also choose them. On the left corner, you can either type a script or upload the audio. For example, I write a script like this. After completed your script, click export button on the top. You can see it on projects. It will take few minutes to make a full video. The video is generated. So this is the video.
If you are a tech
If you are a tech lover,
then
then
you are in the right place.
place.
Tech D
is a YouTube channel that contains all about tech-related concepts, and it also gives various side hustles for you to make money from online. So, subscribe Tech D and make full use.
You see, the words are accurate and precise. If you like the video, then click the download button, or if you want to change something, click reuse template. Now I am going to tell that how to make money by doing this. First of all, I was already told about Fiverr. So today's video, we again use Fiverr to get clients. Let me see how the people charges for UGC ads in Fiverr. This is the Fiverr website. Let's search UGC. You see, they are charging easily 10 to 20,000 for one ad. So create a seller account in Fiverr and upload your sample UGC video as a gig like this.
Hey there, I'm Tasha, your go-to creator here on Fiverr.
Then promote your Fiverr account in Instagram or other social media. If you do the above steps consistently, then you get clients as quickly as possible. After you get clients, analyze their business and products they sell. Some clients already have attractive scripts. Some of them may not have that. So if they have scripts, easily go to the AI website and select the avatar and paste the script. But if the client doesn't have script, analyze the benefit of the products and make the scripts. That's all. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Comment if you want practical video about creating Fiverr account and selling to clients. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram for future updates. See you in the next video. Goodbye.